Right across NAIA Terminal 3 in the heart of Newport City stands one of the most convenient airport hotels in Manila, Savoy Hotel. Today, we'll check if it's really worth your stay. Whether you're an OFW coming home, a business traveler, or just looking for a relaxing staycation. Upon entering, security is tight. All bags go through an X-ray scanner, which is reassuring, especially for international travelers. We were assisted immediately by their staff, and our luggage was placed on a well-designed trolley while we waited in line. The line was quite long during our visit, probably because it was the day before Valentine's Day. So if you're checking in during peak season, expect some waiting time. Check-in was smooth. Just a quick reminder, they require a 2,000 pesos incidental deposit. This is refundable upon checkout as long as there are no damages or extra charges. So make sure to prepare extra cash or card for that. The lobby has a modern, stylish ambience. There are display cabinets featuring items for sale and even a wine display that adds a classy touch to the space. And now, let's check our room. We book a twin room, perfect for friends, colleagues, or travelers who prefer separate beds. The beds are comfortable, with warm bedside lamps, and a beautiful artwork between them that adds personality to the room. The TV is cable ready, but not a smart TV, so no Netflix or YouTube access directly. Complimentary coffee, tea, and bottled water are provided. And yes, water is replenished daily. There's a refrigerator, safety deposit box, closet with hangers, room sleepers, and a small work desk. The desk is functional but quite small. If you're a remote worker, it may not be the most comfortable setup for long working hours. There's also a full body mirror, perfect for checking your outfit before heading out. The bathroom is clean and complete with essential toiletries. Water pressure is good and everything feels well maintained. One of my favorite parts, the view. From our window, you can actually see airplanes parked at NAIA Terminal 3. The gym is fully functional with cardio machines and weight equipment available. If you're like me and don't skip workouts even during staycations, this gym gets the job done. They also offer in-room massage services, perfect after a long flight. The pool area is relaxing and well maintained. There's even a bar where you can order drinks while swimming. But take note, proper swimwear is required. They also have sauna near the pool area. For me, this is the best amenity. The sauna is incredibly relaxing, especially before going to sleep. Not all hotels offer this, so this is definitely a plus. Breakfast is served buffet style. Just provide your room number and booking name upon entry. Joey Auxilito Alonso. Okay. You can build the balanced meal, whether you prefer Filipino breakfast or something lighter. Taste-wise, satisfying and filling. The dining area is bright, spacious, and comfortable. Checkout was smooth, and the 2,000 pesos deposit was refunded without any issue. So, is Savoy Hotel worth it? If you're looking for convenience near NAIA Terminal 3, a quiet room with good ambience, functional amenities, and a relaxing sauna, yes, It's a solid choice. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.